Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is layout number 2 for March 2024 Mini Kit Monday Challenge. My favorite things is the title. We have 6 categories and you are to try to use one item from each of the 6 categories. This time for layout number 2, I'm just going to create it and then we're going to go back and see if I hit the target and picked one item from every 6 categories. We'll see if I passed or if I failed. All right, so we have a 12 by 12 sheet of paper here in front of you from Becky Booten's Fernwood collection. I have another scrap piece from Becky Booten, and I think it's from the Fernwood collection as well. And it is cut, let's see what the scrap paper is, 4 and 11.5. Then I have another scrap paper from 49 and Market. I don't remember what collection. I really love this butterfly side, and it's just breaking my heart that I am going to use this side, but this is beautiful on this side and I need to flip it over. And again, this one is 6 by 11.5. And I'm going to place it up here at the top like that. And wait till you see the photographs. Again, I am documenting photographs from my Hawaii trip 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. I think it'll be 3 years this June. Man, time flies. So I am just putting this a 1/2 inch on both sides. We got that one down. Now we're going to do the next one, and I'm going to bring something in the middle. I do know that washi tape is not on the list. I may bring in washi tape. We'll see. A little bit off. See, I don't cut anything straight. So that's why I don't worry about putting it perfectly straight on my layout. It just all blends together. So let's look at my box of washi tape. So I have this box of washi tape right here. All right, look at this color. That works. Ooh, that blends really good. Or I've got a flower one right here. Ooh, I like that too. I think I'm going to go with this one. It's not very sticky, and that's okay. I'm going to put a bead of glue. Yes. All right, so let me use my wet adhesive glue, and we're just going to run this along here. All right, let's do this. These 2 photographs are the sun setting in Hawaii. That's my thought. I got my word amazing here, and I have this card here for journaling. I need, should I add something flashy here? What about that? What is that? I like that. Okay, let's add this. Look straight. Let's put my word amazing, because this sunset was amazing in Hawaii. Love it, love it. I think I just lightly place that because I have this orange heart right here, and dot, and the squiggly here in gold. Now, see, we are just making fast decisions here. All right. Okay. So let's see on the list. What do I have? We don't have journaling yet, but we have a spot for journaling. So that's one technique. We have the color yellow, and we have the color gold on here. And we also have the color green. Look at that, all on the topic of colors. We have the topic is travel. And the embellishments, we need to add a tag, book edge, banners, printed die cuts, or fiber is what I need. Printed die cuts or fiber. Okay, we'll leave it there. We'll think about it. That's got pink in it. No pink. There's orange. Pure joy. Ooh. Pure joy. I like that one. That one goes better. That one goes better. Let's see, what else do we have? Yes. All right. I'm going to pause the video because I need to outline this with something, either black or something like that. All right. We're going to pause the video and I will come back with a completed layout without my splatters though. I'll save that for the end. So let's just go over it real quick here. When I left you last, I did not have this cluster down here. I did not have these chipboard gold pieces here to the left. I did not have this chipboard piece here that says happiness is here, and that came from the Becky Booten collection. All of this embellishment came from the Becky Booten collection. The puffy heart, the somewhat puffy title, this little swirly in gold, this chipboard that says dream. You did watch me put down the orangey gold glitter tape. And then I switched this card from here to here, added some sequins from my stash, added this tab and this word pure joy, and you did see my die cuts all right here, and they were from 49 and Market. I don't remember which collection. So that's where these this fishtail banner came from, in this tag right there. This, oh, I think it is a 4x, or is it a 3x4 card here of a camera, and it says snapshot, is from the Becky Booten. What did I tell you this collection was? See, I can't remember. I'd have to go back in the video, and I'm not going to do that, but it's from Becky Booten. And then I took a Becky Booten chipboard piece that says the sights and sounds 5 out of 5 star review, and placed that in the center. And other than my splatters, this layout is complete. I have grabbed and selected the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in Tangelo and the Heidi Swap Color Shine in Citron. So let's do some splatters. I'm going to shake it up. All right, we're going to start with the medium gloss spray in Tangelo from Dana Wakley. We're going to open this up. Ooh, I got it opened. Surprise that I did that without some assistance from something or someone. Be my husband. All right, let's add some splatters. I'm happy. That turned out amazing. Thank you for stopping by. I always state in my videos, go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I'm sure you've already checked out their channel, but if not, I will have the link listed below in the description box. I will also have our Facebook group site listed in the description box. We would love to see what you are creating this month of March. Yes, it is March. And keep coming back. Show us your love by giving us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel, build our channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know, that's looking for inspiration in documenting those memories that they're passing down history from one generation to another. Yes, I know you don't think of it that way, but we are history. That's right. All right. Take care. Keep coming back.